Bradman out on a duck. Brian Lara was out on 49 in his final game. Sachin Tendulkar, remember, this is just the first innings. There's every chance he might come out to bat in the second innings. Let's just play out the moment he got out. The whole of India was praying for a fairy tale to Sachin's career, with the Master Blaster scoring yet another Test century. But that was not to be, at least in India's first innings in the Mumbai Test versus West Indies. Sachin Tendulkar fell on 74. Caught at slip by Darren Sammy, bowled by Narsingh Deonerin. So falling just 26 runs short of what would have been his 52nd Test century. Sachin acknowledged the crowd while walking out with a giant board reading "Thank you for the 24 years of entertainment." But remember, there might be a possibility of a second Indian innings.
Wait for the decision. He knew he had just chipped it to
right, you can see the pictures over there. An innings that saw him hit 12 fours, an innings which he made 74. Remember, Don Bradman was out on a duck in his final innings. Brian Lara out on 49. Sachin Tendulkar in the first innings of the West Indies Test in Mumbai has made 74 runs. He's hit 12 fours of 118 balls. Remember, he ended day one on 38 not out, and he's gotten out on day two at 74. At the moment, India are in the lead in the Wankhede Test. They lead the Windies by 61 runs with 7 wickets in hand, and currently on the crease are Cheteshwar Pujara and Virat Kohli.
So a bit of a disappointment there. Sachin Tendulkar getting out after scoring his 8th half century at the Wankhede Stadium. Sir, आप डेनमार्क से आए हुए हैं देखने के लिए, शायद सिर्फ सचिन को देखने के लिए आए थे?
सचिन के लिए आया था मैच देखने, क्योंकि मैंने कभी जिंदगी में पहले मैच नहीं देखा था। 16 साल से यूरोप में रह रहा हूँ, तो अब ये था कि तेंदुलकर का पता लगा जैसे कि लास्ट मैच है, तो कोशिश की इंडिया आने की, और बहुत मुश्किल।
डिसअपॉइंटेड की सेंचुरी बनाते हुए नहीं देखे?
नहीं, डिसअपॉइंटमेंट तो इस तरह की कोई नहीं, जितने भी बनाते सर उतना अच्छा था। तेंदुलकर ने जितने भी बनाए बहुत अच्छे बनाए। 24 साल उन्होंने खेला है, बहुत अच्छा खेला है।
What did you think the way you saw him bat today? Sachin of the old?
Well, yes, Sachin of the old, but it took me 24 years to watch him first time live. It was marvelous to watch him. It was marvelous to see him bat. No, not disappointed he didn't get a century. It was wonderful to see him on the wicket for so long. It was good.
अंदर में किस तरह का एटमॉस्फेयर था?
अंदर बहुत ज्यादा उत्साह था। हर सदस्य अपने हिसाब से सचिन को बधाई देने के लिए आया। आखिरी मैच जो सचिन खेल रहे हैं आज मुंबई में, उनके लिए बहुत लकी ग्राउंड भी था ये। 16 साल में यहाँ तो लास्ट टाइम उनके लिए हम तो सेंचुरी की दुआ कर रहे थे, लेकिन
नहीं हो पाया। Are you disappointed that Sachin Tendulkar didn't manage to score a century in his last outing, perhaps the last outing?
Yeah, definitely we are disappointed, but nevertheless it was a brilliant innings where he was brilliant with his bat and legs also. No matter, एक लास्ट तमन्ना है कि उसको भारत रत्न मिल जाए।
बस वही चाहते हैं कि उसको एक बार भारत रत्न हो जाए। ही इज ब्रिलियंट, ही इज ऑलवेज ब्रिलियंट, और सब टाइम में एक्सपेक्टेशन में खरा उतरना इतना छोटा बात नहीं है, क्योंकि आज तक जितना बारी में वो आया है, कोई भी ऑडियंस का 100 से कम एक्सपेक्टेशन उससे नहीं। ऑलवेज एवरीवन एक्सपेक्टेड 100 फ्रॉम हिम।
Never mind, he didn't manage a century in what was perhaps his last outing, but the fans thoroughly enjoyed the way Sachin Tendulkar batted. He looked like the Sachin, or he looked like Sachin of the old, and there will be wishes pouring in for him. Now many of them are right now exiting the stadium because they had only turned up to watch the master. Back to you in the studio.